No.
No?
We sort out the issues.
Okay, go. Go.
Slightly out.
What up guys, welcome to today's video. Remember when we had this 350Z project in our garage? Guess what? It's still there because we were waiting for the ECU to come back from Abby Motorsports. Well, the guys did a pretty fast job, but the problem is, as it has been now for what, a year or so, yeah, the Brexit, because it's uncomparable before the Brexit and now. How much time does it take to get a package to the Great Britain or from Great Britain? It's really insane. So just to give you the example, the package was sitting at the customs for 20 days here in Slovenia. So yeah, but nevertheless, we have the package. I'm on my way to pick up some more stuff for the Z. We need to change the spark plugs. We're gonna do some oil change as well in the differential and gearbox. We're gonna install the ECU back into the Z. We're gonna do some data logging. We're gonna send some logs back to Mark, to Abby Motorsport. He's gonna do some remapping. We're gonna repeat the process, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna get some nice results. And one more thing, what I'm really looking forward to is to hear that 350Z sound now that we had made some new test pipes and we had a muffler delete in the middle. So yeah, we're looking forward to what the car will sound like. See you at the base. Back at the base. Here's the package. Cable for the UpRev. And ECU. Let's get it done. All done with the ECU. It's working on the spark plug change. Getting to know the hustle of the VQ engine. They're really easy to get to, right?
Yeah, just have to take all the wiring out of the car and boom, you're at the spark plugs.
Hey, but you already put the ECU back, so the wiring is not going anywhere.
It's going out.
Back again. Yeah, it is a bit of a pain in the ass with the Z's to change the spark plugs, at least on the right side of the car, but we'll get it done eventually. So we have some NGK spark plugs, iridium. Usually I prefer this, and I as well have them in my Z. And yeah, we need to change them because where is the old spark plug? It doesn't look really nice, does it?
Hold on, yeah, it's in better days.
Yeah, and even the spacing looks off a bit at the end. So we're gonna change that before we do some remapping, of course. New ones.
Thank you.
Some POV shit. Spark plugs, check. Now we need to install the UpRev software and connect to the ECU through the OBD2. And we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for Mark from Abby Motorsport, so we can do some data logging and some remapping. Remap time. So we have the UpRev software ready, and we need to upload the base map to the ECU and go from there. It's programming. Okay. So let's see. The car was making some noises. Please turn off vehicle.
Yes.
Turn off the vehicle. All right.
Okay.
Vehicle off. Back on.
Turn it back on.
Okay. What does it say?
It still says turn off the vehicle, but
We need to like, like with the link software, that you need to like manually reconnect.
maybe it just needs to.
Okay. Let's see. The cool feature about Ecotech was when we were flashing the remapping the GT86, we have the progress here on the rev limiter. So loading another map. This is how it's done. The RPM meter is showing the progress. So we are now in searching for ECU mode. Hopefully ECU didn't get lost in the middle of uploading. Okay, it's ready.
Okay.
ECU ready. So now we have the base map uploaded.
Okay.
Okay.
Logging and tracing.
Logging and tracing. Yeah, when you do that, then we just need to fire up the car, let's say for the first time, just to get the idea if everything's working and sounds like everything is working. And we are like super curious what this exhaust is gonna sound like, since we did the test tubes and we removed the silencer in the middle of the whole exhaust system, and this might be super loud. So let's start up the car, shall we? Sounds loud. Ooh, sounds really loud.
Right now everything looks
Cool on the log. Okay. I'll text Mark that we have the car running and everything, so he should let us know what's up next. We uploaded the base map, started the car, and some lambda values were off. Now we need to figure out either it's a faulty lambda or something else is wrong. So luckily we have an option here that we can swap lambdas, left to right, right to left, and try to read these values again. And if that's not gonna work, we go on from there. Yeah, lift it up. Kid, so what's your gamble on this one?
I really hope that it's just
That it's not something with the injectors.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen.
I have my doubts. I think it's one of the injectors, but
Okay. So we have switched the lambdas around. Now we're gonna repeat the procedure. And if the values switch, then we are good. If they don't switch, then we might have some bigger issues. Not regarding the ECU, so yeah, let's see. So, how's it looking?
so far so
No.
nope.
Eventually.
Finally, we sort out the issues, and yeah, none of the lambdas were actually at fault, but yeah, we ran a couple of procedures and we found out that one of the injector was not working due to the LPG computer, because this car used to run on the LPG. It hasn't been running on the LPG for some time now, and yeah, just for some reason it shut out this one injector. But we run all sort of tests. We even run the compression tests, and yeah, this engine seems pretty much healthy, luckily. Yeah, now I can finally show you how this car sounds with the test pipes and the medium muffler delete. Of course, just on the idle, because we just have like a base map on the car, and when we're gonna tune that, then you can hear some more. Check it. it's really loud in comparison to my Z. And back to mapping. So Tit, your speculations were correct about the injector.
I think it's one of the injectors. Yeah. Something was off.
Okay, but now it's fixed, so...
Now it works.
Yeah, now we need to get... not yet, the first remap.
Yeah.
First remap.
First base tune.
Yeah, first base tune back uploaded to the ECU. We need to do some logging on the idle. So some light load, like really light load logging, and we're gonna send it to Mark and we go on from there. Hopefully this time we're gonna make some success and this thing will be done in no time. Well, it should be. It's basic tuning, it's nothing special, so should work. Okay. Yeah. So Tit has super old computer which takes shitload of time to load.
I just didn't input my password right now.
He forgot his password.
Contact.
Do you know when they asked Snoop Dogg, how do you remember all of your password? And he said telekinesis. And I think it was Jimmy Kimmel said, yeah, so you can move the stuff with your mouth.
No, I tell a few of my nieces.
All right, start the car?
No, just contact.
Just contact, yeah. So the ECU connects to the computer. Okay, so we'll run it on idle for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So how does it look so far with the lambdas? Because last time it was immediately off.
Right now the lambdas are symmetrical, which is really important.
Are they? Is it like a rich mixture?
Not really. It's quite okay for idle.
It smelled rich before, but okay, we have test tubes on, so
yeah.
Oh, test pipes on.
And the idle RPM is nice right now.
Yeah, for now it should be somewhere like that. At least on my car, it's something like that.
Better than before.
Yeah, what was before? It was like 600. Now it should be around 8.
So far, so good.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll let it run for 2 minutes and then we're gonna do some driving. So we should do like light loads, 2000 to 4000.
Just light loads.
Just light loads, okay. Shit, that's loud. Super curious how thing is gonna drive and here under a full load. So we're just gonna do a short lap and that's it.
So Mark sent us a new tune and it says load calibration please, start driving and full throttle from 2000 to 4000.
So full load from 2000 to 4000 RPM. I would say we're gonna do this in third gear.
Yeah, probably.
We can also do in fourth actually. We can do both, third and fourth, so we have some...
I think third will be enough, but yeah.
Right. Since this car is not like heavily modified or anything, we are doing this on road. Actually, it would be a lot easier and more accurate to do it on the like a Dynapack. But yeah, like mentioned, because this is not like heavy modification and we are not like highly tuning this car. These are vents going on, which means that the map is loading. So yeah, that's why we are doing it on the regular road, and bear in mind we are doing it in all the laws of road and car safety
in
regulations. In Mexico, yeah, we are doing this in Mexico. So 2000 RPM to 4. One more time. This time we're gonna do it in the third gear. Same stuff, 2000 RPM to 4000 RPM, with full throttle. Hopefully we're gonna be done before the traffic jams. Logging. So we just done another remap, and this time we're gonna log from 2000 to 6000 RPM. Again, third gear, and send the log to Mark for him to inspect and do some corrections if needed. Otherwise, we're gonna proceed with some other maps. Can you hold the camera? Manual mode, third gear. Okay, logging?
Yeah.
Just got the latest map. It's uploaded. We are doing data logging in idle for 2 minutes, and now we're gonna do some driving. We're gonna pull from 2000 to the rev limiter. This should be actually the last map, and if everything is well, we're gonna set up a second map, and the second map is gonna be about more enhanced fuel mixture, which will add something to, let's call them pops and bangs, just as the owner wanted to have this. We good?
We good?
All right, let's go driving. Okay, go.
Go.
Hopefully we collected enough data, and this is really the last log because here it's getting towards the rush hour and there is a lot of traffic everywhere, and yeah, we should not push into anything. Actually, we cannot push because everything is going pretty much slow on the road. What do you think? It looks nice?
Everything looks in order from my end, but Mark is the guy that will say.
Mark
okay.
is the guy that will say if everything works. So I should be logged, just light driving.
Yeah,
towards
light
the
load.
workshop, light load. All right. So we're not done yet, as I wanted to be done. So we are having another go. I went. We are having some issues with the software because it's crashing randomly, and we just had a crash in the middle of the logging. Doesn't matter, we're gonna do another run. So this thing finally tuned. It's loud, it's crazy loud, but you be the judge. Till next time, you know what you need to do. Comment down below what you think about the sound of the Z. Share it and subscribe to our channel, of course. Till next time, see ya!
Truck 46, 2 miles out.